Okay, everybody, we're back. Me and Jacob are about to go pick up something really, really special and really expensive.
Some laughing gas.
Yeah, some laughing gas. Well, it doesn't have a bottle, but that's okay. I'll get a bottle. Anyway, about to go pick up something really expensive. Stay tuned. It's gonna be really sick and really cool. We gotta drive up to Irving, so it'll be like 45 minutes with traffic. So I guess that's not too bad, but yeah, stay tuned. At all.
All right, Chris.
Like way up there.
Chris just said that there's a two-tone Z. There's a 370.
Oh my Jesus.
Chris is saying there's a two-tone 350Z up here.
Like 100%. I promise y'all, there's another two-tone 350Z, and it's probably a DE, but it is hardtop. So I'm gonna try to squeeze my way through. It's fucking like green and silver. It's so ugly. I'm sorry, but that is.
Hey, what'd you say about my Z?
Here it is. It's coming up. Oh, it's like, oh, dude, it's so bad.
Oh, I see it.
It's so bad. Oh, fuck.
We are now waiting in traffic.
Yeah.
What city are we in right now?
We're going through Grand Prairie, Arlington, kind of like right in the middle.
Yeah, we're in pretty bad traffic. We're on the toll road, right?
Yeah. On 161.
Still pretty bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
We've gotten so bored to the point where we're just trying to find some cool cars. We just saw a 370Z.
Yeah.
Full on battle arrow wing.
One of my buddies from Square One. I don't know him, but I mean, he's in Square One. I know most of them, so. I mean, they're super dope. They're dope people. I've gone to Houston with them. Oh, he's like way up there now. Dude,
We'll come back if we ever catch up to the 350Z two-tone. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got the two-tone 350Z.
It's an HR though.
Still two-tone.
Yeah, but yeah.
Got it. But did you shoot a flame though? He didn't even shoot a flame. Oh, we got another one coming up.
This one I think there's traffic.
That's why you send it. He sent it.
Sent it.
Alright, what's going on, you guys? It's Jacob and Chris here.
Yeah, man.
And what are we doing?
We're about to pick up my Nitrous kit for the GTO. I literally like destroyed the drive shaft on Friday, and I haven't bought another one. But the Nitrous kit is much more of a priority than the new drive shaft.
Yeah, let's just hope that we don't get robbed.
Or let's hope
We don't get kidnapped.
Yeah, something like that. We're out like fucking. It's a really nice area, but I don't really know where we are. So
Hopefully we don't get killed.
yeah, I know.
Because it is a really good deal for what we're getting.
I know, man.
But if it does work out, oh boy, we got some content on the way for you guys.
I know. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. If you're watching this video, stay tuned. Something really, really, really big is coming pretty soon.
Alright, what is going on, you guys? We are now like an hour away, and Chris picked up something for the Camaro.
Yeah, buddy.
We got our new Roush blower on top of this bad boy with the nitrous.
No, that's a no.
We don't know what NX means, but we're gonna find out real soon.
Yeah, we're gonna find out.
We're gonna find out pretty soon, you guys. We'll let you know whenever we find out. But yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be sick. I'm looking to make at least 1100 horsepower to my stock bottom end aluminum V6
With a new drive shaft though, so
yeah,
it'll work out.
Yeah, see, you see my CD axle down there? I forgot to it.
Is that your angle kit?
No, that's my CD axle. This is no longer a real drive so that'll be 1000 horsepower V6 stock bottom end for drive turbo.
You ready for these? We got an 81.
Yeah,
We got an S2000 ECU in there.
Yeah, the can directly from S2000. Also, this is my catch hand. This is my catch hand for turbo. Turbo's down there, you can see it.
Yeah.
Roush supercharged, the Nitrous Express, stock bottom end V6, 1000 horsepower for crosswalk.
So basically, all the boosts you ever want.
Yeah.
So, what do we actually have under the hood here?
So I just picked up a Nitrous Express direct port kit for the GTO.
Rest in peace, GTO, for the time being.
I know, but you know, this is more of a priority than a new drive shaft, even though I can't drive it. So I went ahead and bought a Nitrous kit instead. You don't need a drive shaft. But yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. I don't really know what the f I'm doing, but I will figure it out. This is a very expensive kit, and I really don't know why I picked it up right now because I spent a lot of money on it. But this even comes with a purge kit, and I didn't know until this morning. But I was asking the guy last night where I could hook it up to, because I mean, I've done like simple nitrous kits on this one before, but not a direct port, and it has 2 nitrous solenoids. So I was asking him, like, do I hook the purge kit up to the main line before it comes into this T? I didn't really know, but yeah, dude, I'm hoping for like 550 wheel.
Wow, that's we're definitely way in over our heads right now.
Yeah,
we have no idea what
for sure.
we have no idea what's going on.
My buddy David over at Alpha, he's gonna help me out.
Yeah, we'll get this situated pretty quick. It's not super complicated, but
Yeah.
it's definitely just way bigger than anything we've done so far. So we're
Yeah.
taking a huge leap right now, but
Yeah,
it'll pay off.
And we are doing it for y'all. I don't know if I really honestly don't know if we have continuous viewers, but we are doing it for this channel. I hope this really like kicks off some shit. And, like, cause this is a pretty big undertaking. I'm not gonna let Mike touch this. It is gonna be me. It is gonna be me. I'm not letting Mike touch it. Sorry, Mike. We love you, but I kind of want to keep my motor in one piece. But yeah, all the work was bent and installed. Like, everything was done by Nitrous Express in-house. The only thing that's a downfall about buying the kit on this manifold is that the previous owner had
She's got a crack.
yeah, he had a small nitrous backfire from a bad tune. I'll figure that out because I have an LS1 and it doesn't take a whole lot of nitrous. I think I can maybe dumb this down to like 125 shot and not like run 150 or plus. But this kit right here is good for 500 horsepower on nitrous. 500 horsepower on nitrous. And that is not including the power of the motor itself. That's just nitrous.
That's an extra 500 on top of motor.
Horsepower. So I'm gonna dumb the fuck out of this thing. I mean,
And then we're gonna boost it on top of that.
I don't know, man. I think this would be good enough. But I'm not gonna run it on the street. I'm gonna run it at the track. If anybody comments or anybody says anything about, oh, run me, catch a 20 roll, no, that's not gonna happen.
Catch us on the track.
Catch me at the track where you see me fucking destroy another drive shaft because I launch on nitrous. I'm not gonna shoot nitrous out the hole, but I think this will be a lot of fun. It's gonna be it's definitely gonna be pretty interesting. We've never done this before, not something like this at least. But I'm gonna have to get an extra fuel tank. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of work that goes into this, but we are gonna do everything in-house besides for the tune, everything.
Yeah, that's kind of the point of the whole channel, if you guys couldn't already tell. Most of the stuff we do to our cars, unless it's something like changing out a tire, like obviously we don't have a tire machine, we're not gonna go do that.
It's really sad.
We should get, look out in the future, we'll get a tire machine, especially with all these drift events. It's adding up pretty quick.
I know, but yeah, eventually I'm gonna have to get a new set of Nitros here pretty soon, but I might have to go and buy some race stars.
You getting some Hoosiers?
No, they'll be Mickey's, ET Streets, but hey, man, you know, same shit.
He's not part of Hoosier gang.
I really hope that my my income tax helps me out with this a little bit because I just spent quite a bit of money on this, but it's okay. I have enough for a drive shaft. I'm gonna get a drive shaft tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be starting a GoFundMe in the description for the nitrous kit we just picked up.
Yeah.
We need a return on the investment.
A GoFundMe and a Patreon. Definitely gonna need the Patreon for this one. I'm just kidding. But Yeah, the dude bought this for $1,700. $1,700, and I got it for quite a bit cheaper than that, but to me, it's still kind of expensive at the moment. It already comes with a full throttle switch. I don't really know if I'm going to use it or not. Just due to the fact that I kind of want progression on the nitrous, especially with that big of a shot. But David's going to help me out with that. He's gonna point me in the right direction. He normally does like boosted stuff, but he's done some nitrous applications.
That's what I'm saying. We gotta go boosted on this thing.
On this, yeah, maybe, but
Oh yeah, turbo slammed V6 Camaro.
STS turbo kit on the way. Just kidding, but yeah, we'll see where this takes us. It's gonna be a long road. It's definitely gonna be very, very, very interesting. Yeah.
Whether or not the motor blows or if we have a nitrous backfire, as long as we get it on camera and it's entertaining, that's all that matters.
Yeah, honestly, I'm kind of sad that I have an LS1, but like it's over 400 wheel and it's an LS1, so I mean it's kind of cool. But if it was a 6,
what a show off!
I can't. But yeah, if somehow the LS1 blows up, we're gonna take the cams and the valves and the valve springs out of it and throw it into a 6.0 and 6.0 swap it. So if you're into that, if you're really into that, comment and I'll shoot this 500 shot.
All right, guys, let's get it on camera. Blowing up the GTO. Let's get some clickbait going on.
It blew up. Look, it blew up.
Oh.
I had a nitrous backfire. I put too much power in it, and you know my lungs are.
Time for some boost, boys.
Hey, so we're back at my house. Backyard performance. Woo!
Suppose.
Yep, suppose. And we got the nitrous kit. All it needs is a bottle and an extra fuel cell, nitrous pellets. That's all I know for now. It has a purge system and everything. It's all ready to go, really. Just got to get a good tune. Got to get a drive shaft in it first. That's the #1 priority right now after I bought this. Well, we don't have the whole gang with us. It's just the 2 of us today. But stay tuned on this nitrous kit. I still don't really know what to do yet, but we're going to figure it out. And yeah, just stay tuned, please, because it's going to be really, really fun. And peace.